Hi, my name is Charlotte Coberly, and I am the Graduate Admission Counselor for the MFA in Film and Media Art program at Emerson College. Today, I'd like to share a little bit about the program with you, and we'll start by learning a little bit about Emerson College as an institution. Founded in 1880, Emerson College is a hub for innovation in communication and the arts. With a vibrant community of students and faculty, we're committed to pushing creative boundaries and preparing graduates for success in the ever evolving world of media. Boston is not only home to Emerson College, it's also a prime location for aspiring filmmakers. Recognized by Movie Maker magazine as one of the best places to live and work as a movie maker in 2024, Boston offers a vibrant community for creative professionals. With its rich history, its access to cutting edge technology, and its industry connections, Boston provides the perfect backdrop for your journey in film and media art. The MFA in Film and Media Art is a 64-credit, 3-year program. It's a full-time, in-person experience that offers both evening and daytime courses. The curriculum of the program balances both traditional and experimental media production, with business and theory equipping students with a robust skill set. The program is divided into 3 phases: foundational, intermediate, and advanced. Depending on your academic and professional background, advanced standing options may be available to you when applying. This allows you to complete the program in as little as 2 years with only 40 credits, compared to the 3 years of 64 credits. In this program, students will explore various media production genres, including narrative fiction, documentary, experimental, web-based interactive media, and multimedia installations. This diverse approach ensures you gain comprehensive experience in the field. Emerson's state-of-the-art facilities include over 700 digital cameras, sound stages, and an array of professional equipment that you can use as a student for your projects. Our technology resources are designed to support your creative vision from concept to completion. Our students and alumni work has been recognized with awards and nominations from prestigious organizations such as the Academy Awards, Peabody Awards, and Sundance Film Festival. These achievements reflect the high caliber of our program and the opportunities it creates. Emerson's holistic admission approach looks beyond GPAs. We value your personal and professional achievements, essay responses, and letters of recommendation, which give us a deeper insight into your potential. We're looking for passion, creativity, and drive throughout your application materials. The Film and Media Art program offers admission for the fall term only, with a single deadline to apply in early spring. For exact dates, please refer to our graduate admission applications and deadlines page. To apply, you'll need to submit an online application, bachelor's degree transcript, 3 letters of recommendation, a professional resume, 3 responses to essay questions, and a portfolio of visual media. International applicants will also need to provide English proficiency scores and a transcript evaluation. Those seeking advanced standing will have 1 additional essay to complete. All applicants who apply by the priority deadline will be considered for merit-based scholarships without any additional paperwork. These awards are distributed at the point of admission. At Emerson, we believe in empowering creative minds to achieve their full potential. If you're ready to take the next step in your artistic journey, we invite you to apply today. For more information, visit our Grad Life blog or contact us directly. Thank you for watching.